Mix eggshells with soap and earn lots of money. The result is surprising. The soap more complete than those sold in the markets. To start today's tip, we will use a soap and also a grater. It will facilitate in the preparation. After I started using this homemade soap, my dishes shine much brighter and are much easier to clean. In a blender, we will add the soap, and then also the shells of 3 eggs, and also a litre of water. The eggshells we use make the soap more abrasive, which facilitates cleaning and removes the effort I would have rubbing the parts. I'll beat it until it's shredded. Then I will turn off the blender and add also 5 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar will help give more shine on the aluminum parts and also not to harm the skin during use. I will beat again and finally add a tablespoon of baking soda. It is the main item in removing fat. It will certainly facilitate the use of your soap. After beating well, I will take our mixture to containers. That will give the model of our soap. And then let stand for 4 hours until the mixture hardens. Even the parts that had stains, I removed without much effort and without help of steel sponge. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Stephen Heron. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Surely you will thank me. After using this tip, your dishes will no longer be the same. You will have much easier when taking the fat from the parts and cutlery. Remembering that, you can even make money from selling the soap. Once our soap is firm, it will be ready for use. Works perfectly for cleaning all utensils in your kitchen. This amount we made yield to use for at least a month. Increase this amount and can also sell the soap to your neighbors and family. Will surely thank you. As you can see, without much effort, I can remove even the stains from the bottom of this pan. You will be surprised by the ease at the time of cleaning using the soap. I hope you enjoyed our tip today. For sure will facilitate too much in your day today. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in our next video. Bye.